have a small problem with my P51D, and the problem is in the motor. And actually it's not a small problem. As you can see, the motor is not in its place. So my plan is first to use a glue gun here to glue the motor holder. I will have here some drops, and on the other side some drops, and then I will put it in its place and try to hold it firmly for some time. And after that I will be using a foam board, and I will glue it, but now with the white glue in the front of the motor holder here. I will try to glue it here inside the nose of the airplane with, as I said, with the white glue, and I will wrap the nose of the airplane firmly and wait until the white glue solidify. I will see if this will hold the motor in its place for some time. The glue gun is hot enough. I will turn it off and work. Let's have one drop here and here, one drop here, another one here. We flip the airplane upside down, one small drop here and one here. Okay, and now I will move it inside. I will move the motor inside and try to hold it firmly, and let me try the propeller. Okay, I will hold it firmly for some time until the hot glue cures. Now, as you can see, the propeller can turn freely, so no hot glue intercepts the motion of the propeller. And now I'm going to use a small part of foam board and glue it with white glue in the front of the motor holder inside the nose. Okay. This is the small piece of foam board, and I'm going to glue it inside the nose in front of the motor holder. Let me try now without glue. It will be like this. Here we have the white glue on both sides of the small piece. Okay, and now the piece will be placed in the nose of the P51D of my Mustang. Okay, I think that's it. As you can see, this piece will also hold the motor holder in its place. Everything is turning with no problem. And now, where's the propeller? Now, in order to hold the piece in its place and hold the nose firmly contacting the piece, I will wrap the nose of the airplane. But first I will cover it with small paper in order not to scratch the finishing of the airplane. And now, as you can see, the motor does not leave its place.